Okay, good late morning. Good late morning, everyone. Michael Venezia, head trader at Tradeview Markets. My God, I'll cover the P&L. MSTR. All right, a couple of things. All right, Gerard asked me a question, but first of all, and first and foremost, we'll look at the bank situation. And Gerard being a first time, long time, A-Lab and Snow. There's my board, guys. Come on, you in these things? I did a power hour here last night, all these stocks. CLS, Snow. I bought IAT on the close. I'm still in it. Twig, I'm in it. Big winner. What else did we say they bought into the close? Oh, Uber. So listen, I'm pointing out the stocks right now. Uber, there's the chart. Hopefully I'm on the right. Uber, for those. Okay, there's the chart on Uber. Meta 600 is on NCLH. How many times did I bet at NCLH, a stock like SE, a stock like CPNG, all flagging. MSTR. I'm in that. DJT, Donnie Trump. All right, I'm not in that. RKLB, 10-minute A-Lab going higher with that. Let's go. Few2. What's Few2's range today? 103 to 109, $6 range. What am I in? I'm in something. Fizzler, NXT, I didn't get it. What the hell am I in? ANTM. I'm in this ANTM. This stock is taking a lot of calls. It's an IPO, new IPO, and it came in with a lot of call action. You know what? I feel bad. I think of a lot of things. And Gerard, I'm going to get back to your obviously banks question because I'm jumping around and then I'll get into the flow. But I actually said something to Mick about RKLB Rocket Labs. And it reminds me of what trading is about. And this is not Mickey hour on the back hour. Gerard and a lot of people in the room are very capable of saying this again. Okay. He knows the stock. Okay. He knows it well. RKLB. All right. He believes in it. He knows it. And he doesn't have an ego in it. He trades it to take money out of it. All right. He had a belief in the NDX. I didn't hear he was doubled down. I mean, well done. That's what I'm saying, Mick. All right. A former friend of mine that I traded with for many, many years, one of the better trader than me, to be honest with you. He's now a head manager somewhere. He lives in Florida. And only traded was Lucent. The old symbol was LU. You might get to know it. Astro Gumbo, you might have heard of it. You already probably know it. Everybody knows it. It's a Lucent store. It's like what happened. And he named his dog Lou. He made millions being disciplined in trading Lucent. Now, Lucent was an $80 to $100 stock one time, and I'm not going to, he made it happen. But Lucent. So bottom line is, I get it, Mick. Rocket Labs. If you say it, I know you know it. I'll watch it. I just got a lot going on here. All right, here we go to the news. Bitcoin highs, all right? AMD reversal to the highs. Did we talk yesterday about AMD hitting the 50-day beautifully? Wolf had it. JP and the boys. Hold on a second. Bitcoin high. I'm long something. Where's Coors? Coors is lagging here. You know what? Buy another 2,400 Coors. That means I'm just trying to sell some. Open order. No. Coors. Even though I drink Heineken's. Coors. Buy another 2,000 Coors. No, there he goes. You know what? He wants to get down to I know Gerard. Option flow in the names. Let's get to it. Gerard doesn't even want to hear about my opinion. I don't blame him. There's the money behind it. BEKE. Pages of BEKE calls, the Chinese play. XBI, they're going into that now. From worst to first, the first to worst to worst. IONQ calls, do I see? I didn't see any so far. There's Rocket Labs. Oh, there's a Rocket Lab Bloomberg live event today. Mick, do your research. Rocket Labs. Of course, they're running from him. Lift breaking high. Hold on a second here. I got to get something here. Is there option flow? I'm going to get yelled at by Gerard. Good. GCT. Buy 800 GCT. Break it high. HPE. I said, let's buy it. There's my screen. Hold on. Twig, by the way, made 42,000 in Twig today. Still going to go higher. TEM. SPGC Sound. dog. HPK add to it. DoorDash. I only have 400 left. Should have more of it. You know what? That's at the 50 strike price. HPE, we said. We got to buy more HPE. Buy another 2,800 HPE. Top pick Mike V? I don't think so. CMG, you want to talk about that? I said CMG last night. I'm going to get to your answer, G, about the calls. As I said, I'm going to look all day for them, especially how they close. CMG, Launchpad. You want to talk about McDonald's? You got to watch yesterday's power hour. You know, it's very clean action. And it was how I handled the banks being city. Oh my God. JP and the boys, the 1 day shakeout looked weak yesterday into numbers. Even Kramer said I posted about how it wasn't a negative that they were running into banks. Goldman Sachs, Launchpad, it's just getting going. Gerard, I'll watch. Rocket Labs. I'll watch for the flow, coin. I'll watch for the flow, Gerard. I'll let you know. In all seriousness. Coin. Without dissertating or anything. Bottom line is the flow on the banks that close. I'll give you a clean answer. Let's keep going. What else? Let's look at the new high list. Missed their calls. Twig, I'm in that. Let's look at Tiger bullish. They're going into China. And you know what? HPE. I'm in. China, ton of flow. Hours ago. Look at where they are now. BEKE was the first one. Posted. BEKE was the first one posted. First one to go. The stock went from 20. Oh, now they're getting a little frothy. I might be getting frothy. Twig. Is it over on Twig? Twig. 1, 2, 3. 840 to 7. Oh, not much left. Boyd. Hood. GLW was taking action. He's Planet. Listen, if you're upset that Planeteer is down today and a stock like CELH, listen, I don't like what's going on here. You got a bad feeling. Where's the VIX? And then CLH is down. Where's the VIX? Where's the VIX chart? This is more important than anything. This VIX, I hope it broke the support. The VIX. It's hanging on even above the 200 days. Listen, if the VIX were stock, we'd be buying on a pullback. Yeah. 1, 2. I don't know, man. I got to go price action over sentiment, though. If you listen to Kramer and said sell the banks, you'd be in trouble. But I got to listen. I don't know, man. I'm riding them up as long as I can. Bitcoin high, small. Yeah, this is it. The Jesus. I'll leave it here. He says all. Jesus. Small caps, banks, Bitcoin in China. Anything else? Tiger taking calls short term. Jim Kramer. Let's go here to the Twitter feed. Let's see what the boys are saying. I posted this 14,000 times. October 12th. It's over the weekend, I believe. What is today? What is today? I know today's at least Friday. October 12th. Tomorrow, Saturday. China news coming out. Be aware of the upsides and downsides. Whatever you don't own and it goes against you, will you be willing to take the pain and buy it on the dip? And what does that mean, Mike V? That means best of breeds. And the two best of breeds are what? They're Baba and Baidu. And right now I'm long some DQ, Dairy Queen. And I'm going to have to sell some that. Where am I? I know I got DQ and I want to sell it. Was I on there? I hope I showed that. K-Web, Repster. Let me sell some DQ, Dairy Queen. Is it above 20? 2026. Mike V's in this. I think I got a decent amount. Settings, position info. I have 5,000 DQ from 1943. Now it's above the 200-day daily. Does it go to 20? Oh, it is 20. DQ. I'll sell some here. Hold on, Mike V. Sells how many DQ? I'll sell my birthday, 2024. I'm going to regret this, I think. Sound is a dog. APLT, HPE, top ticked it. HPK, Hood, you son of a bitch. Anthem, GCT, China, DoorDash hanging in there. Coors, Twig coming in hard. Fizzler hanging in there. Twig, AEHR. What's going up now? This is when you look what's going up when the futures pull back a little bit. You know what I want to do? I might want to sell some HPK here. I have too much of this. HPK, sell 2015, 1490. So I graduated, what's some type of school in 1990? 1990, I graduated high school. AXP breaking high into the sell-off. Coors, DoorDash, GCP. Hood's got me a little bit. HPK, they're running. Hewlett Packard, uptick. DQ, I'm going to sell more. I don't trust it. ANF. Sweet Green. I said this, hold on. Sweet Green. Where's the sweet cheesy green? Emblematic of the restaurant sector. Sweet Green top pick. Went to the 40 strike price, Gerard. I know you like the strike prices. Sweet Green. All right, there's Sweet Green. Maybe it pulls back, maybe it doesn't. What's another one that I wanted to buy? This GXO chart on a dip. My notes. It worked. Oh my God, this hurts. Have it on the list number one. Tyler, GXO. And I looked at the weekly on GXO. Was buying a pullback. I said, yeah, let's buy it at 55. GXO, I should have taken it overnight and I didn't. Perfect. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Stock closed at 58.64. Give you $2.50 uptick. Worked beautifully. Going higher without you, Bob. GXO Logistics. Who cares? I like the name. Anything logistics is almost like therapeutics. IONQ taking calls. IONQ taking calls. How you doing? You know what that says to me? That's robots. SYM. Worked. SYM is right under GXO. SimWork, robotics. That's what they both do. I let the robotics sector get away from me. What else do I have? CCL, did that work? Yeah, of course. Why not? Square should work. Look at that chart. Back and fill. That's fine. All right, we're entering a Friday. My glasses. You know what I did before? I'm professional. I was so focused before that I was looking at the screen and I had my glasses on and then I went to put my glasses on. So I had two pairs of glasses. Option flow. VIX is 30 days and forward. It covers the. I get it. I get it. Even use the right vernacular. 30 days forward. Well put. Oh God! All right, let's go here. Twig. All right, let's look. What's moving now? And I hope I'm here for a power hour. I want to be. I don't know if I'm going to be at the desk. And the reason why I'm not sure is because they have surfs up to relay all the information to me. I'm not going to lie. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. What's got the volume? Twig, we're in that. Fun. Donnie. Tiger. China taking flow brought it up. Wolf. I bought this live. No, it was the other Wolf. Didn't work. KC, China. MSTX, MSTR triple ETF, SMAR, uranium, ENVX battery, HIMS, blah. Percent losers in less 60 minutes with volume. Will you interested in anything? This has a lot. Donnie was at 27. Pulled back with volume. Very. TVTX, AUR, Yang. All right, let's look at this right now. Same screen, duh. Percent gainers. Intraday, sexy list, Twig on number one. I happen to have it overnight. I still have it. Tesla, everything inverted. AHR had news. Naturally, Connell is Bitcoin. RCAT, Lyft. We brought up Lyft and Uber. Lay's, SYM brought it up. Uber brought it up. Tiger brought it up. Kava, interesting. GXO. I threw my glasses because of that. And Sweet Cream tops it off. That's ripping. GXO upset me. I'm not going to lie. I was so close to taking this. Call myself freaking professional. Stop. Look at the volume in that yesterday. My mentor would make fun of me. Over. Next. Let's look at the board. It's SEDG, by the way, turning around on volume. First day up. Solar Day, they're squeezing. Obviously, if ENPX is up. Solar Day, let's look at Fizzler, which is down 22 yesterday. Did it bounce off the 200-day? I haven't looked at it, but we'll look. It didn't exactly get to the 200-day, but I know every chart by heart, and I should. Every chart by heart. I should. Fizzler got right there. So did AMD. Should have a freaking algo. Buy anything within 0.5 or 1% below or up above the freaking 200. What else is going on? DoorDash we still have. Other stocks that I don't want. Oh, CLH, SVM, Planeteer. Don't be surprised if that rests. I mean, if you long CLH and the market's up a gazillion and it's not up $5 because it went from 28 to 35, you're actually in the wrong sentiment. It should be down probably $2. Market was down 100, 200 today. It'd be up. Get it. UNG, where's it going to close? 1490. I'm bidding for 1460. And Henry Z, and I'm bidding for UNG 14. I really wanted 1440. And then then we'll have something. Then I'll go like this. All right. I don't know. It's the UNG weekly. The UNG daily needs to hold the 50. And the reason why I didn't buy Boyle, you ask, is because it broke even all the moving averages. I don't want anything below the moving averages like that, especially a triple ETF. For those that are thinking about making a score on UNG, don't do it. Out of breath. BEK, China, all GLD, they're going into November, all short-term action. April, somebody wants BEKE. It says, I don't care if it goes down freaking 20% from here. When I turn around in the spring, it's going to pay for my golf membership. That's what they're saying. And as I look right here, it's no surprise. Tiger highs, China highs. TDOC, they're going to squeeze it. TDOC, they're going to squeeze it. Well, they squeeze Zoom. Why wouldn't they? Ooh. Zoom. Don't make me do it. I don't want to do it. PDOC, though, I might. Even 2,000 shares at this go might squeeze people's lives out. I've been on the other side of this. That's why. If I was shorted, I'd be nervous. If I was long, I'd like it. It's a double thing. So I'll leave it there. Let's go to the YouTube channel. I'm sure nobody's going to be shy on this type of day. I've also noticed that the longer your hair gets when you get older, the thinner it gets. So I'm going to cut my hair short. Or not digging it. A bad do right now. Not Gordon Gecko anymore. Freaking going like that. It gets thinner. Okay, so I'll leave it there. Coach, getting more views than I do than an hour than I do in a day. You want to hear what Coach says on what? You want to hear what he says on Friday? The meaning of impulsive defining the meaning of. Thank you for the comment, Patch Peak. At least you can say your partner, Mike V, is impulsive. I'm actually not impulsive. Just got too many pairs of glasses at the moment. Good job, Coach. All right, we'll leave it there. Any other questions? I'm in the room all day, except maybe not at the close. If not, Surf's Up relays everything. And I will, no matter what happens, got my word. I'll let you know about the flow. Percent games, 15 minutes. Tiger. All China. EVGO. Does that have more room? Percent losers. I can't let it go. Twig. Oh, it's all over for Twig. All right. That's it, Mike V. I'll try to do better the next time. I'll try to do better next week. I'll try to do better, period, even after I hang up. Okay, leave it there. Thank you for participating. Everybody real, not to be dramatic, I'm proud of what everybody, listen, there are no bad questions. Believe me, I didn't just get out of there and start asking a lot of intelligent things. I actually asked a lot of stupid things to get the smart things. You learn more by your mistakes or bad questions. That's why I always want everybody to say, what do you think? If I tell you everything, even my opinion, it feeds thing into you, and it feeds it maybe into you instead of resonating from coming from the basics and then me maybe helping or formulating that opinion from there. So please ask questions. Don't be shy. I'm certainly not. Mike V, here you go. Another one. Follow my Twitter feed. Farmer D, my boy. Some movement in Chinese stock for the weekend. There's news in China coming out. Be careful. Cheers.